everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some stretch bracelets, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some stretch bracelets. So you're going to need some clear nail polish, some elastic, scissors. I'm using this bracelet bead design board. You don't have to use one of these. The main thing is that your bracelet measures 3 1/4 inches, so that's the average size. And you're going to need beads. Today we are going to use red and white beads. Very Canadian. So, we have to decide a pattern. So what do we have? We have these. We have these. And we have these. What if we go that, and then a white? How does that look? Okay, so we'll go this, 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 and a white. I don't know if we'll have enough of those to go around. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to place your beads in the design you want, okay? So I'm going to do that off camera because I'm pretty sure you don't want to just watch me placing beads. And then I'll meet you back, okay? So place your beads and then meet me back. Okay, so there we go. I placed my beads. Okay, so now I'm just going to move them out of the way. Okay, now we're going to get to the elastic. So this is an important part of this whole procedure. You need to pre-stretch your elastic like you would a balloon before you blow it up. You want to pre-stretch it so then when you're wearing your stretch bracelet, you won't have it sag in the middle because the elastic has stretched because you're doing the pre-stretch. It'll still stretch enough to go over the wrist and everything, but it won't just let loose. So I'm going to keep the elastic on the spool, and I'm just going to start by stringing my beads. Okay. I'm doing this around a camera, so bear with me. There we go. There we go. And there we go. So this is the pattern that I'm doing. Okay. So I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me string these beads because that would be awfully boring. So I'm just going to string these beads and then I'll meet you back. You do the same thing. Okay, so I've got them all strung. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to tie our knot. So we're going to do the hand over knot, and then we're going to do another one, but instead of going around once, we're going to go around twice. Do you see what I did there? So see how I've got it? See that knot? I've got it 3 turns. Okay, then we're going to give that a good pull, and we're going to give it a good pull from the other side. Now, this is where your nail polish comes in. We are going to give our knot a snip. Leave about, you see how much I've left there of the elastic? Do that. And then we're going to take our nail polish, and you want it to be clear. This also works with glue if you want to do glue. Like a little bit of nail glue or even school glue would work. you put a dab on that knot. Okay, and then you take that knot and you want to just pull it into the bead. Oh, I went too far. You're just pulling it into the bead and you'll feel a little pop. And there you go, my friends. Sorry, I'm accident prone. I gotta make sure this closed. That is your completed bracelet. So I hope you had fun watching this tutorial. Check my description. I put all kinds of neat things in my description. And I try and do new videos every Tuesday. And sometimes I even do them more than that. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye now.